What is up, you guys? It's your boy Teddy, and welcome back to the React with Teddy channel, man. Today we're gonna be reacting to Fanum and KAICENAT start a firework war, man. They've been doing this a lot, bro, and this shit is lit every single time, bro. They be doing this, and bro, hey, they got money to renovate this house each time they do it. Let them do it. Why not? It's their house after all. So shit, it ain't my house, so. But yeah, man, this shit is always lit. Before we get into it, don't forget to leave a like, comment down below, leaving me suggestions on what should I react to next. Subscribe to the channel, man. Growing reaction channel, man. You guys are part of this journey. So whoever's with me, you know, subscribe, turn on post notification bell on, and without further ado, man, let's get straight into it. Let's see how lit this gets. Literally.
I got my yo, bro. I got my right here. Why you playing like this? Hold on. If I find my lighter, it's great. Shut down with the shut down with the shut down with shut down with spot. Shut down with spot. Lighter. My lighter. My lighter.
Oh, word?
My lighter. Yeah, where's my lighter?
Word?
Where's my lighter? Lighter. My lighter. He's not doing that. He's not doing that. He's not doing. He's not doing that. He's not doing that.
Well, we're gonna have to mute the.
He's not doing that. He's not doing that.
Oh, he got like a big
Oh,
one.
his chat too.
I don't know why he thought.
You're not doing that. You're not doing that. That's not your body. You're not doing that. Tell where's my lighter? I'm panting.
Son.
Where's my lighter?
If he lights this up,
Bro, let's go.
easy.
He's not doing that. His heart don't be like that. He's not doing that.
Wait, is it my
He's not
screen?
doing that.
Oh no, this is not my screen. I'm thinking, is this my screen? They got a bunch of shit,
Why he watching?
overlays and all types of shit.
Tears of joy, tears of joy.
Bro, there's so many overlays right now.
Stop watching me. Why he watching me? Why stop watching? Why you watching me? Stop watching me.
Tears of joy, tears of joy.
Yeah, you better move little CNAT right now. Cause I'm coming.
Bro, what the fuck is going on the screens?
Inside the cage.
Bro, there's like 50 screens going on right now.
Good job. You better chill, bro. You gotta chill.
Son.
Subbing, but my streamer don't stream.
He better chill. He better chill. Bro, he better chill, bro. He better chill, bro. Wait, what is that? Wait, what is he doing? What is he doing? What are you
There
doing?
we go, that's better. Oh!
Bro,
What the fuck? Why this shit is smoky? Look at that, me listening, trying to figure out if he's coming down.
what is he doing? Yo, chill, bro. Chill. Bro, chill. Whoa, what's up?
Why you was pump faking?
But ain't nobody pump faking.
Pump faking on live.
Ain't nobody pump faking, bro.
Yeah.
I got my.
No, put it down. Put it down. Put it down.
Bro,
Put it
bro,
down.
I got my. Yo, bro, don't stop. Bro,
Put
bro,
it down.
bro.
Put it down.
Bro, you gotta
Put
chill,
it
bro.
down.
Bro, you gotta chill, bro.
Put it down.
Bro, that's a big firework.
Put it down. Put it down.
Your heart don't be like that. What? Your heart don't be like that. You know who I am. You're not doing that, bro.
Do you know who I am? Oh! Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh, yo. Oh. Fire.
Oh no. Oh my god.
No. Run that back, bro. It's how they took off, bro. The way they took off.
Thinking, bro.
Be like,
I got my.
No, put it down. Put it down. Put it down.
Bro, I got my. Yo, bro, don't stop.
Bro,
do you know who I am?
Chill, bro. Bro, you gotta chill, bro.
Damn.
Bro, that's a big firework.
Put it down. Put it down.
Your heart don't be like that. What? Your heart don't be like that. You know who I am. You're not doing that.
Look at him.
Don't be like that.
I'm asleep. Boom. Yeah. That shockwave and all that to the camera. Yo.
Oh no! Oh my God! Get water! Get water! There, it's in there! It's in there! It's in there! It's the water's in there!
Oh shit! Wait, behind the curtain. Behind the curtain.
It's a fire! It's a fire! It's a fire! Oh, the fish is on fire!
What else? What else? What else?
I don't know.
Bro.
Where's the lighter? Where's the lighter?
Yo. Okay. This is what niggas do, man. This is what we do, man. Dumb shit. Look at this dude operating like, yeah.
Anything else? Yep.
Waiting on his whole shit.
Bro, I don't know why he's trying.
I just watered it off.
Fucked up his whole shit, bruh.
Yo, where's Phil? Can y'all hear me? True, can y'all hear me? Yes or no? True, can y'all hear me? Get back. Fanum! I'm about to blow up your room!
Bruh. Get back real quick, bro. He's like, ah, well, we might need water for the room now. Bro, we can't see shit, bro, for the smoke. Bro, what the fuck is going on?
Nah, Lucina, she tucked away. She's in a soundproof closet, chat. She's good.
Son,
Damn.
Go to truth, gang! Go to truth! Yo, chill, bruh!
damn, son.
Oh, here we go.
I bet.
Ah, man. Get back. Look at the chat. Get back. Chill. Pre-evict. Pre-eviction.
He's gonna go crazy. Bro, Fanum's about to go crazy. Bro, Fanum's about to go crazy. Oh God. Oh God, he's about to go crazy. Bro, he's about to go. Yo, chill. Yo, chill. Yo, chill. Yo, chill. Yo, don't. Show them what you got. Bro, do not know.
What?
Fanum,
What?
show them what you got.
I show you what I got.
Yo. No. Don't do it.
Hey! Stop. Group leader. Stop. No.
Oh yeah, here we go. The person with sense in the house.
Bro, David, don't stop, bro.
Fanum.
Why you saying Fanum?
Relax.
Bro, stop.
Hang on. Can I see it? I just want to see it. Okay.
I got 40 upstairs. So. Built the house.
The house is unlivable again currently. Why?
Yo, that was close. It's how to
Damn, son.
Bait car.
Bro, I gotta drop. You bothered my bro.
I bothered you.
Go to my room right now. Look at my. You put a hole in my carpet.
I had to. What?
Look.
No, we're fireworks tonight, man. Come on.
Shut.
Hole in the carpet, bro.
This act, bro. Let me take a picture. Let me show him.
Nah, that's the.
Yo, look at.
Nah, that's a crater. Let that be a message to
Damn.
those other that you tried it.
The ceiling? What happened to the ceiling?
What?
Oh, the ceiling. Oh, the ceiling.
Damn.
Bro, what's wrong with you, bro?
Bro, you started it.
You started it, bro.
Bro, you showed the firework on stream.
But I was just trying to see if you was
Yeah,
going to
but
bluff.
you can't pump fake somebody.
And you beat yourself.
Yo, I call the truth for a little bit.
I could have choose too, bro.
Alright, here.
To operate in here.
Too. You wanna see
Bro, look.
bro, my
I dropped firecrackers in that mother.
bro.
Bro, all you gotta do is sweep and he good, bro.
What?
Just sweep the little shits around and he's good.
I can't really breathe right now. So yeah, I had to take it off.
Bro, what is that?
I don't know. Why y'all let it in here? What you doing, bro?
What you doing?
Bro, look.
Bro, I gotta drop the bomb in there, bro.
You dropped a cracker on me.
Son.
I ain't mean that. I didn't mean that.
Yo.
Hey,
Yo,
chill. Hey,
Yo, chill. Yo, you didn't mean that.
I think we should just call it.
But I didn't think you was actually gonna drop that.
Bro, it's me, bro. Is that Duke?
That's the big drop.
Oh, we in trouble.
Is that the big drop?
Yo, there's a fire extinguisher under your sink in your bathroom, okay?
Yeah.
It is?
Yeah.
It's where?
Under the sink in your bathroom.
I gotta use it?
Just have it out, bro.
Is anything on fire, Fanum?
Nah, I would have been dead already.
This, oh, I know fire. Oh.
They still got shit on fire?
Where?
Bro, this now?
Smells like eggs.
Does it work?
Yo, bro, don't.
He needs to use it.
Oh, it's on fire?
Nah, push it.
Is it work automatically?
Now read the instructions.
Oh, pull it? I guess it worked.
Oh! Yo. Yo. Damn. Got his ass.
Where you wanna go?
Bro, his room is fucked now, bro.
Chill!
He got no windows, nothing, bro.
Get back.
Oh.
Fanum's done, bro. My man can't even breathe. Oh!
I can't. No.
Yeah. My man took the tool, man. The toolie. He got the chop.
Nah, this is a gel blaster. This is a gel blaster.
Damn, he done.
Guys? Guys, there's a problem. We have a problem, guys. I need your help. I need your help. Bro, my hamster escaped.
What?
Bro, she escaped. Oh my
Damn.
Wait. Chill. What is that? What do you have? The gel blaster. Bro, help me, bro.
My man lost his hamster.
I don't got no bullets for my gel blaster. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Where she be hiding? She's not in there. Look, that's... Bro,
But yeah, man, there you guys have it, man. It wasn't too bad, man. It was like 2 fireworks, bro. And just a bunch of smoke, so... Yeah. If y'all enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment down below with suggestions on what should I react to next. And I'll catch you guys to the next one, man. Peace.